baby?
Walmart?
What are we gonna do here? Huh? Unsa? Buy a stuff? A stop? Snack? Socks? Sock? Chalk?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Hi guys. So yung dalawa nag-aaway man sa bahay. Well, sana pag-isipan ko ay lalabas muna kami.
This one.
Sino na?
Cookies.
No, you want this?
I'm candy.
Huh?
I'm candy.
Hindi.
Candy.
Madaw dyan na mong ipon.
I love it.
I love daw candy. Eh, sabi ko ay ano ko muna tong dalawa, ilabas ko muna, pero natulog po si Wiwi.
Cake.
Ayun si Wiwi natulog.
Another cake.
Yes. Wait, baby. It's okay. Asa ka, Wes? Ala, nindot lagi ni nga cake, B. Ang gaganda ng mga cake nila, oh. Tag 7.97 lang. Ay, pang summer. Pang summer na cake. Let's go there na sa mga chalk. Pupunta sana kami sa sa park. Tapos natulog man si Wesley, Waylon, sabi ko. Kaya napag-isipan ko guys na pupunta na lang muna kami dito sa Walmart para bibili ng chalk para may maano sila mamaya. Wesley! Para maglaro sila mamaya. Here, you can have this. Huh?
This. I didn't see this before.
That's you're looking for?
Yeah.
When?
I see a video with it. And that was so yummy.
Really?
And sour.
So you wanna try that one?
Sour.
Okay, let's take a video when you try that, okay?
Okay. It's sour. So
You can hold it for now.
it's
Don't
sour.
open it yet.
Okay, sour.
Yeah? Wesley, you wanna play this?
You want to play that?
You sure?
What do you do?
Like this. It's a golf.
You hand it in there?
Mm-hmm.
You want to do that to play that?
Hello guys. So, unsa mo na bayad na?
Mommy bought me sour candy today.
And this one, the book.
And then we thought to buy.
So, binilhan ko sila ng mga tracing book, guys.
Yeah, and we bought socks.
And pencil and chalk.
Yeah, socks.
So complicated.
Double my
This
candy
one.
in the car. Double my candy in the car.
I guess yun. Asa din yung candy ba?
It's in here. It's in here.
Ay, nakalimut ang candy sa mga hand.
Come on. One.
I forgot.
What?
Candy for Waylon and Kuya Waylon.
Yeah. I'm not here.
Okay, thank you for sharing, Bobby.
I love Jim and Waylon.
Nakadungog mo ito guys, sabi niya. Sabi ko kasi wala akong nakalimutan ko bumili ng candy para ka William at saka ka Waylon. Sabi niya, mag-share daw siya kasi I love William and Waylon. Thank you, Wes. Buta na ni Wes, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we haven't didn't do anything in the store.
Yeah.
And
Kiss
then-
me.
And didn't do anything.
Yeah.
You're not here.
Si ikaw lang kuyog og si Wiwi na.
So,
So, uwi na kami kasi pupunta daw kami sa Target. Sabi ni Erica. Anyway guys, nung last time na iniwan ko si William sa bahay, hindi lang po siya mag-isa doon. Kasama niya po si Erica, just to let you know.
My candy.
Kasi may nakita akong comment, nag-ano siya, nag-concern siya ba? May ganun.
Tab. And I am here. The demon Waylon.
Hi, Waylon. How's sleep? Good? You sleep good? Wait a knock. Go in the other side, Wes. Init, Wino? Wait, ako lang open, ha? Anak. Try daw.
Okay.
Is this your first time, right? Nami?
Yummy.
Thank you. Give some for kuya. Okay, save some for kuya.
Okay.
Ang sabi ni Wesley, thank you. Ay, Waylon pala. Guys, kung hindi nyo sila naririnig mag-thank you, siguro hindi lang makuha, hindi lang ma-vlog, hindi lang siya ma-video. Pero nag-thank you naman po ito sila. Matimingan lang siguro. So let's go na. Grabe ha, inita. Abang. Wah! Tanawa mong forma guys, oh. Bumili kasi si Erika ng ano. Hello everyone. So nandito kami sa Publix. That's a shrimp.
What shrimp mean?
Shrimp.
What shrimp mean?
Thank you. Hi, Wes. Pwede naman ano mo hiwaon, be. Ako hiwa for you. Ano? Tenderloin.
Spicy one.
Yeah, it's not really.
It's for dogs.
Dog.
See, dog food in my door.
Yeah. Yeah, that's for the doggy.
It's for doggy too. Why we're not a dog?
So, nag-grocery kami ngayon, guys. Kasi apat na araw akong wala. So, si William lang at saka si Erica. Kasi mag-work ang person. No, you can't get out. Sit down. Sit down.
Wesley, listen to mom.
Thank you. Parehas lagi mo color sa sinina. Wesley, B-box ka ron.
Biba. Mayo.
Where are we, Wes? You know where we are. Starbucks. So, ayan na yung grocery namin, guys. Oh.
Now in the sky.
Grabe ko pag-vlog.
So, we're checking out.
Okay.
We're checking out. Let's see, stop.
Hi guys! So nakauwi na pala kami sa bahay and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili ni Erica. Ayan. Yes? Oh, you wait for mommy, okay? Caramel. Here.
More ice cream. It's gonna melt.
Ay,
You have to put it in the freezer.
May Yakult pala sa sa Publix. Meron din ito sa sa Walmart. May donuts and cookies. Ano pa? Coffee. And meat din. Be, ako na freezer ang kuhan beef or dili? Okay. Then may chicken din, guys.
I'm gonna tell him. You got peanut butter. Can I?
Ako ra na isa ka ang kundi. Unya. Guess what? Ang balimbing dito, oh my goodness, 600 apat na ha. Hala, kamahal niya sa ato kay. Uniton raman ni. Look. Yeah, we can play outside after this. 11, I'm almost $12 na ni.
We got the donuts too. It's donuts.
Then my egg din. Dalawang egg tinagay mo. Hindi ko ang buntis, oh. Yung mga bata gustong maglaro sa gusto nilang maglaro sa labas. After this, maglalaro sila. Sila ng chalk, guys. William boy.
Yeah.
Batang mo dito na po. Pinsan ko sino pang Melon! Tingnan nyo nga yan sila. Success naman yung namin. Lakad namin.
Oh yeah, we got this one.
Pumunta kami sa Target kasi bumili si Erica ng shelves para sa kanyang kwarto.
And we got candy.
Diyan.
We got candy.
What do you mean?
You remember? We went to Target.
Oh yeah, and then Erica, nagpalitan sila kayo. Ay, butan na dito na ko. I'm almost done.
Where to put this?
Dito sa pantry, please. Alright guys, let's go. Ang cute-cute ng basurahan na to ba?
Where was it? Where was it? It's under the whole time. We didn't know.
Kinsa may nagdalaan na dira?
I don't know.
Eh?
Wesley? No.
Not me.
Not me. Because Wesley brings the remote all around.
Yeah. So it's you, baby?
Wesley,
You just forget, right?
Wesley, it's okay if you say yes.
No, you, Waylon. I'm talking to Wesley. What are you doing there?
Wesley, it's okay if you say yes. No.
If you're not gonna show it to me, Wesley, Waylon.
It walks.
Okay, throw it.
Throw it. Just throw it here.
So are you happy na? You found your remote?
No,
Upstairs?
No, we didn't find it.
Oh, give it to me.
We didn't find it first.
Thank you, Waylon.
Mommy.
Let's go outside now. Come on, let's go.
I don't mind.
Huh? I'll get it. Sige na, right?
I wonder why. I didn't see the
Okay.
I'm making a road for the scooter. I'm making a road to go down. Mommy, Mommy,
Oh, you can't go there.
Mommy, I'm going through the wall right here.
Huh?
They're gonna make a wall right here.
Really?
For the scooter. Well, Win.
Careful, huh?
I'm gonna do that too. Yeah, I'm gonna do. What? No, you're not. Wesley, stop. Mommy, can you tell Wesley to stop? Wesley, stop.
Aya, Wes. Make your own thing too. Wow!
Riding on mine.
Good job, Waylon. Wesley. Yeah. Here you go. Careful, Waylon.
Pink. Give me footsteps. Give me footsteps.
That's it, Waylon. That's it.
Mommy, what color you want?
Yes, the pink one is nice.
I'll go a pink one there for you.
Waylon, here. Not there.
And Mommy, and what? And
Go, William.
and who's this favorite color?
Huh?
And who's this favorite color?
Waylon,
I wish it was black.
ay mag-draw ko, girl.
Oh, Mommy,
Oh.
Mommy, 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 Mommy,
Yes.
Mommy,
Yes.
Mommy. Coin na. Go na. Yeah, my friend a dirty coin.
Okay.
What is that coin?
Desit ko kay Bong mo draw. Ali mo. Tingnan niyo ngayon. Drawing ko.
That is good. I like that.
Thank you. Waylon.
Wow. It's a big road.
Huh?
You made up the road.
It's okay.
You made up it. That means it is better, Sina. And don't that horse. Don't turn the evil.
Huh?
Is that a girl?
Yes, that's a girl. Hinay lang. Ganahan na ka, William?
Yeah. It is a road.
Watch out, ha?
Okay.
Watch out.
Oh, are you gonna try?
No, thank you. Ali, babe.
Papa. Smelling Wesley's butt.
Uy.
And then this is Wesley.
Asa ka na, babe?
That's Erica. This is Waylon. This is Waylon smelling Wesley's butt, and then this is Wesley.
Nindot lagi na mong gidrawing na.
That's poop.
Ala mo, kay muwa naman ang akuan, Wilon.
What?
Katayhang ting ba? Ni muwa na.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What? Good job.
To make it. It's the heart of the island.
Yes.
And then the demon. And the demon, if you take it, the demon will wake up and try to get the heart back.
Mhm.
Yeah, and someone got a what? No. No.
Unsa day, William?
So he got the thingy and he started running.
That's hard. Okay, where's we? Yeah.
He's pooping.
Ew.
That's a big poop right there. Mommy.
Who put it back?
I put inside the demon.
Yeah, but who put it back, the green thing?
Moana.
Yes.
Awana baby found a green thingy.
Where? Asa?
It's in the water. Mommy. And then it's coming back and a sea and the one the baby come,
Mm-hmm.
and the one dad come, and the one got a green thing.
Back dito sa island, right?
Yeah, one son get a green thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, she found, I think she found like, when she was a baby, she found the stuff.
Bubo.
Right here.
Nabubo na po siya, guys. Oh.
I got another boo-boo. A boo-boo.
Asa ni magbubo?
Mommy, your boo is fine now.
Mm.
Do not need a band-aid. I need a band-aid.
Gamay ra kay na Wesley. Gihurot na ninyong band-aid ay. Bisa gamay kayo nga sama din yung band-aidan. Nahurot na ninyong band-aid. Nahinay pud lagi na. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So they're just done taking a bath.
Yeah.
Right, Wilan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got.
And then what did you do earlier, babe?
I don't.
You draw?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
What's drawing? Draw. Oh, draw. The drawing.
Yeah, drawing. You need to pick up your
I need to go
Fun, huh?
outside.
Your toy.
That day, guys. Diamond
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
How about you, Wei? Did you have fun?
Yes.
That's good.
And the baby.
Mm.
The.
Guys, bye-bye everyone. See you on the next vlog.
We're gonna go to sleep.
Yeah. We're gonna eat first and then go to sleep.
Who was he?
Ew.
Wait, why fart? Why fart?
So, ganda ng higaan ko, guys, oh. Dito naman si William at saka si,
Let's
ano?
go eat, mommy.
Yeah, let's go eat now.
Guys, we're gonna go downstairs.
So, bye-bye everyone. Thank you
Bye-bye.
so much for watching.
Bye.
And thank you so much for supporting our channel.
We gonna see you later.
See you later.